Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Golfdom Magazine at my home here in Northeast Kansas. I'm being joined by my son Boyd.
Hello.
My daughter Evelyn is operating the camera. Thank you, Evelyn. It's a strange time right now in the country and in the world since the outbreak of COVID-19 has affected us at Golfdom, and we take it very, very seriously. I hope you're taking it seriously as well. I hope everyone watching this video, I hope you're well. I hope you're doing your best in these difficult times to be safe and stop the spread of coronavirus. This is the time of year right now where we'd be ramping up. More employees would be coming to the crews and getting the golf courses that we love and enjoy ready for play. The state of the game from state to state, it varies, and we're doing our best at golfdom.com to keep up on this story, but it seems like it changes hour by hour and minute by minute. But one thing I think that we can all agree on right now is that there are a lot of men and women who typically would be working on a golf course grounds crew right now who are out of work. Because we love what they do and we appreciate their handiwork, we felt like at Golfdom that we should somehow try to help those folks. This actually is the brainchild of Dave Vanslette. He is the CEO of FAIRWAYiQ. He came to us and he said, Seth, what if we created a GoFundMe campaign to support the men and women who take care of our golf courses who are out of work right now? A lot of these people, not only is the money they make, is it for themselves, it's also for their families. We hope that with this partnership with FAIRWAYiQ, we can help some of those folks. We're calling the campaign Our Game, Our Crew. And if you're anyone out there who loves the game of golf and appreciates the men and women who mow our fairways, rake our bunkers, cut our cups, if you're able to do it, we would encourage you to visit our website at golfdom.com, find the Our Game, Our Crew tab, read up on it, and make a donation. Boyd?
And if you're a superintendent who would like to nominate someone from your crew to receive a gift card to help them out, please visit golfdom.com and click on the Our Game, Our Crew tab.
Again, I hope you're all well. I know these are stressful times. I feel very blessed that I'm here with my family and we all are healthy. I do know I miss being on the golf course, and I'm sure you do too. If you're like me and you want to help these folks out, please visit that website and consider making a donation that you feel comfortable with, and hopefully we can help those people. Because Boyd, remember, golf is our game.
Let's support our crew.
Thanks.